Welcome back. Today I will show you how can we convert BCD input to access3 using Mux on Proteus. So before moving any further, first we need to know what a BCD to access3 converter basically is. So this converter basically adds 3 to the input value. The input for BCD is shown here as ABCD and the outputs are W, X, Y and Z. As you can see, when the input is 0, the output is 1 plus 2 equals 3. So in this way we will add 3 to each the input value. And our don't cares are from 1010 to 1111. Now moving on to the Proteus implementation. Here as you can see on your screen, A, B, C and D are our inputs. And these 0 and 1 are our high and low logic inputs. And now we will use this IC4067, which is basically a 16x1 mux, to implement our circuit, to implement the first function basically. So here as you can see, A, B, C, D are the 4 switches. We will connect them but in the opposite manner. Now as you can see, there is a bar or enable, so we will give 0 on this terminal. So 0 will basically enable it. Now we have basically 4 inputs and 2 raised to the power 4 is basically 16. So there are 16 possible input combinations. That is why we needed a 16x1 mux. Now our next step is to look at our minterms. Now for W, the minterms are M5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We will connect all the minterms and then we will connect all the remaining inputs that are 0. Now for the minterms, we will give a logic high at the minterms and similarly logic low for the other terms. And now we will use a logic probe at the output. So now we will simulate it to check our results. Now basically our input comes 1 when we give 0 1 0 1 at the input. So here we will give 0 1 0 1 and you can see the output is 1. So now we will check one another input combination, which is 0 0 1 1, which will give us 0. The output is 0 as you can see on your screen. Similarly, we will perform it for the other outputs too. So now after this our circuit is complete. As you can see, we have verified all the 4 output functions. Now we will verify all of them simultaneously. For the input 0000, the output is 0011. You can see the output is 0011, and we can check one another function too, which is 0010. For this our output is 0101, and here our output is 0101. So this is how you can implement a circuit using mux instead of using logic gates. So basically we have used these mux, these 4 16x1 mux to convert BCD to access 3. So this is all for today's video.